Question number 7. A wall 4 meters long, 3 meters high and 11.25 centimeter thick is made up of bricks, each measuring 12.5 centimeter into 22.5 centimeter into 12 centimeter. The required number of bricks is, write down, number of bricks is equal to volume of the wall. Number of bricks is equal to volume of the wall divided by volume of each brick. Volume of each brick. Question number 7. We have to find out how many number of bricks are required. 4 meter, that is 400 centimeter. 3 meter, 300 centimeter. 11.25 divided by 12.5 into 22.5 into 12. Here 2 decimals are there. Here 2 decimals are there. This will cancel. This will cancel 9 times. This will cancel 25 times. 25 will cancel 12 times. 12 will cancel. So 400 bricks are required. So answer is 400. 400 bricks are required. So answer is 400. Question number 8. A wall 8 meters long, 12 meters high and 45 centimeter thick is made up of bricks measuring 100 centimeter by 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter. The required number of bricks. Same pattern. 8 meter, that is 800 centimeter. 12 meter, that is 1200 centimeter. 45 centimeter. 100 into 45 into 24. This will cancel. This will cancel. 12 will cancel 2 times. 2 will cancel 4 times. So answer is 400. Question number 9. 3 metals of volume 125 cubic centimeters, 64 cubic centimeters and 27 cubic centimeters are melted to form a new cube. Its edge will be of how many centimeters? So write down edge of the new cube. Edge of the new cube. Edge of the new cube. Is equal to this total is 216. Cube of 216 is 6. So answer is 6. Question number 10. If the volume of a cube is 125 cubic centimeters, its surface area is how many square centimeters? Question number 10. Volume is given as 125. Therefore, edge is equal to cube root of the volume. Therefore, edge is equal to 5. Therefore, surface area is equal to 6 into edge square. Surface area is equal to 6 into edge square. 5 square is 25 into 6, 150. So answer is 150. If the volume of a cube is 1728 cubic centimeters, its surface area is how many square centimeters? Question number 11. Volume is equal to 1728. H is equal to cube root of the volume. Therefore, H is equal to 12. Therefore, surface area is equal to 6 into H square. 12 square is 144. 144 into 6, 864. So, surface area is 864 square centimeter. So, answer is D, 864. Question number 12. How many plants 17 feet by 8 inches into 3.5 inches can be stored in a place 51 yards long, 6 yards wide and 14 feet deep? So write down. Number of plants is equal to number of plants is equal to number of plants is equal to volume of the place divided by volume of each plank. Volume of the place divided by volume of each plank. 51 yards long, 6 yards wide, 14 feet deep. 12 inches is equal to 1 feet. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. 12 inches is equal to 1 feet. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So 51 into 3 into 6 into 3 into 14. Divided by 17 into 8 by 12 into 3.5, convert it into improper fraction. 3.5, convert it into improper fraction. So answer is, if you simplify this, you get the answer as A, 11,664. So answer is A, 11,664. Question number 13. If the length of a cylinder is 80 centimeters and the diameter of its base is 7 centimeters, its whole surface area is how much? Whole surface area of a cylinder. Whole surface area of a cylinder. Whole surface area of a cylinder. 2 pi r into r plus h. Whole surface area of a cylinder. 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into pi value into diameter is given. So radius will be half of the diameter. Diameter is given. So radius will be half of the diameter. If you simplify this, you get the answer as A. If you simplify this, you get the answer as A. That is 1837 square centimeter. Question number 14. If the length of a cylinder is 55 centimeters and the diameter of its base is 14 centimeters, its whole surface area. Whole surface area is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into pi value into diameter is given as 14 centimeters. So this will be half of the centimeters into height is given as 55 centimeters. If you simplify this, you get the answer as 2728. That is multiple choice B. 2728. That is multiple choice B. If the length of a cylinder is 14 centimeters and its CSA, curved surface area, is 264 square centimeter, the radius of its base. Curved surface area of a cylinder. curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h is equal to 2 pi r h. This is given as 264. This is given as 264. Now we have to find out the radius. Length is given, that is 40. So 2 into, so r is equal to 264 by 2 pi h. That is 264 by 2 into pi value into 7. This comes to 3. 16th problem. If the diameter of the base of a right circular cone is 4 centimeters and its perpendicular height is 2 root 3 centimeters, its slant height is. Slant height is equal to root of r square plus h square, root of r square plus h square. Diameter is given as 4. This will be half of the diameter. If you simplify this, you will get the answer as 4. If you simplify this, you get the answer as 4. So answer is multiple choice C, that is 4. If the radius of the base of a right circular cone is 6 centimeters and its slant height is 28 centimeters, its curved surface area is how many square centimeters? Curved surface area is equal to pi r L. Curved surface area is equal to pi r L. L stands for slant height. L stands for slant height. Pi value you know. Pi value you know. Radius is given 24 into 22, 528. So answer is 528, that is multiple choice B. 18th problem. If the CSA of a sphere is 1386 square centimeter, its volume is how many cubic centimeters? Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. This is given as 1386. 4 pi r square is equal to 1386. This is given as 1386. R square is equal to 1386 by 4 pi. 1386 by 4 into 22 by 7. That is 1386 into 7 by 88. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into pi value into 21 cube is 9261 and 2 cube is 8. 4 will cancel 2 times, 2 will cancel 11 times, 3 into 7 21 will cancel 441 times. 3 into 7 21 will cancel 441 times. So answer is C. Answer is 4851. That is multiple choice A. 4851. That is multiple choice A.